Here's RunwayML app, Magic AI video creation. So just tap get to install it. Double click to install, and then here you just have this AI Magic made for your phone. So use the Gen 1 to turn anything into everything. Gen 2 to generate anything you can imagine. See all your creation. Share your photos and videos to web. Okay, so let's just take it a try. And then this is the app to generate text, image to video, or Gen 1 video to video. So yes, pretty cool. And then make the impossible. And then you can just sign up. So let's just tap, and then you will be able to create an account. This is one of the first apps where it's dedicated on video, actually, not images, because with images there were a bunch of apps before, but then you have it here. But seems okay. So and then describe the scene, give access to camera, give access to microphone, and so like and then, for example, okay, whatever, and then you can add some AI, add image prompt, and then you can just tap generate, and then your output will automatically be saved to library, and then you can generate this video like that. So let's see how it works out. So as you can see, if these are some kind of abstract words, it kind of can start to work. So you'll just need to wait, but I'm just really curious to see what will happen. And I didn't upgrade, as you can see, so you can try it without upgrade, which is quite cool. And yeah, then you just see it here. It just takes some time, but yeah, I'm just curious how they can afford to generate it for free. So yeah, that's that. Quite cool. Wow, that's a really cool app. I haven't seen something similar like in other apps. There are so many apps which will generate images for you, but this is like one of the first apps on iOS where I can see like, wow, I can just generate like this video footage. So yeah, kind of cool. And then of course, if you want to remove the watermark and all of that, then you need to upgrade. So yeah, give it a try, definitely.